Today, we're exploring how you can make a younger woman truly obsess over you. It's not just about flashy gestures or trying to be someone you're not. Instead, we'll delve into the genuine methods that can spark a deep and lasting fascination in her. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge and tactics to not only pique her interest, but to keep her captivated. Let's get started. 1. Display confidence and maturity. Confidence and maturity are among the most attractive traits in older men as perceived by younger women. Display these qualities by sharing your experiences and insights in a way that adds value to her life. Your confidence should be evident in how you handle situations. Communicate your thoughts and respect her opinions. Maturity in this context also means showing emotional stability, understanding, and wisdom gained from your life experiences. 2. Show genuine interest in her life. In a relationship between an older man and a younger woman, it's crucial to show authentic interest in her life. This means actively listening and engaging with her about her ambitions, dreams, and interests. It's not just about hearing her words, but understanding her aspirations and motivations. Ask thoughtful questions that demonstrate you're not only paying attention, but also that you care about her perspectives. This genuine interest can make her feel valued and understood, creating a deeper bond. 3. Respect her. Respect her independence. Respecting a younger woman's independence is vital. She should feel that her personal space, career, hobbies, and choices are respected. Avoid any tendencies to be overprotective or paternalistic, as this can come off as controlling. Instead, support her endeavors, celebrate her achievements, and encourage her to pursue what makes her happy. This respect for her autonomy can increase her admiration and affection for you. 4. Be emotionally intelligent. Emotional intelligence involves understanding and managing your own emotions while empathizing with others in relationships with a significant age gap. This can be especially attractive. Be someone she can confide in and turn to for support. Show empathy for the challenges she faces, offer guidance when asked, and be a stable, reassuring presence in her life. Your ability to handle emotional situations with grace and understanding can make you an irresistible partner. 5. Share your wisdom. Wisdom in relationships with a younger woman. Your life experiences are a unique asset. Share your wisdom and knowledge in a way that's enlightening, not condescending. Discuss lessons you've learned, mistakes made, and success is achieved. Offer advice when she seeks it, and use your experiences to provide a perspective that she might not have considered. This exchange of wisdom can deepen her respect and fascination for you, as it provides a unique aspect to your relationship that she might not find with her peers. 6. Maintain your physical appearance. Physical appearance, taking care of your physical health and appearance, is crucial. It's not about trying to look younger than you are, but about showing that you value and respect yourself, and by extension the relationship. Regular exercise, a well-groomed appearance, and a sense of style that reflects your personality can all significantly enhance your attractiveness. This effort in maintaining your appearance demonstrates self-respect and a commitment to presenting your best self. 7. Offer stability and security. One of the appealing aspects of dating an older man can be the sense of stability and security that he offers. This doesn't just mean financially, but also emotionally and intellectually. Be a reliable partner. She can turn to someone who keeps his promises and provides a calming presence in times of chaos. Your stability and security can become a grounding force in her life, making your presence invaluable and deeply attractive. 8. Be humorous and lighthearted. A good sense of humor is universally attractive, engaging, and lighthearted. Playful banter can add a youthful and joyful dynamic to your relationship. Humor is a great way to bridge the age gap, creating moments of shared laughter and enjoyment. Being able to laugh at yourself and with her can make you more approachable and relatable, fostering a deeper emotional connection. 9. Cultivate romance. Romance is key in any relationship, but particularly when an older man dates a younger woman. Make the effort to plan meaningful dates that go beyond the usual dinner and a movie. Surprise her with small, thoughtful gestures that show you're thinking of her. Express your appreciation for her in both words and actions. These romantic gestures, tailored to her interest and personality, can leave a lasting impression and deepen her affection for you. Respect her friends and social life. It's important to respect and show interest in her social circle. Understand that her friends are an integral part of her life. Be supportive of her spending time with them, and when appropriate, make an effort to get to know them by showing that you respect her independence and social life. You demonstrate your understanding of her needs as an individual, which can significantly enhance her feelings towards you. 11. Engage in deep conversations, deep and meaningful. Be adventurous. Conversations can be incredibly attractive. Discuss various topics that stimulate intellectual curiosity and growth, from art and philosophy to science and global affairs. Show interest in her thoughts and opinions, and share your insights and experiences. These conversations not only build a strong intellectual connection, but also foster emotional intimacy. 12. Be adventurous. Being open to trying new things can add excitement to your relationship. Step out of your comfort zone. Be willing to explore new places, try new hobbies, or engage in different experiences together. This adventurous spirit can be very appealing and shows that you are not just set in your ways, but are enthusiastic about living life to the fullest. With her 13, show your vulnerable side. Letting her see your vulnerable side. Vulnerabilities can significantly deepen the emotional connection. This doesn't mean you have to reveal all your weaknesses or secrets. Instead, show her that you trust her enough to share some of your struggles or fears. 14. Prioritize communication. Communication. Good communication is essential, especially in a relationship. With an age gap, be clear and open about your intentions, expectations, and feelings. Encourage her to do the same. This honesty helps in building a strong foundation for your relationship. It shows that you value her and are serious about understanding and meeting each other's needs. Remember, communication is not just about talking. It's equally about listening and understanding. 15. Keep things exciting. One way to captivate a younger woman is by keeping the relationship exciting. This doesn't necessarily mean extravagant gestures. Instead, focus on creating new experiences and shared activities. It could be as simple as trying a new cuisine together, going on unexpected weekend trips, or even learning something new together. These shared adventures can create lasting memories and deepen your bond. This approach shows that you are not just interested in a routine relationship, but are willing to make an effort to keep the spark alive. 16. Be supportive of her. Be supportive of her goals. Younger women often seek a partner who not only understands but also supports their ambitions. Being supportive of her career and personal goals is crucial. This means encouraging her in her endeavors, celebrating her successes, and being there for her when she faces challenges. It's about showing genuine interest in what she's passionate about and understanding the importance of her goals. Your support can be a major source of inspiration and strength for her, enhancing her feelings of respect and admiration towards you. 17. Balance connection and space display. Thoughtfulness. Remembering the small details she shares with you can have a significant impact. Bringing up something she mentioned in passing during a previous conversation not only shows that you pay attention, but also that you value her words. Thoughtfulness can be expressed in various ways, recalling her favorite things, acknowledging her achievements, or even being mindful of her preferences and dislikes. Such gestures make her feel seen and appreciated, fostering a deeper emotional connection. 18. Balance between connection and space. Striking. The right balance between being connected and providing space is key in any relationship, especially when there's an age 18 difference. While it's important to be involved and present in the relationship, it's equally crucial to give her the space to grow and be her own person. This means respecting her independence, not overwhelming her with your presence or opinions, and encouraging her to pursue her interests, even if they are different from yours. A healthy balance allows for individual growth as well as growth as a couple. 19. Lead by example. As an older man, you have the opportunity to be a role model. Your actions, ethics, and the way you treat others can significantly influence her. Display qualities that she would admire and aspire to. This could include showing kindness and respect to others, being responsible and disciplined in your personal professional life, and handling challenges with grace. By leading by example, You not only earn her respect, but also provide her with a template for personal growth and character development. Just finish learning about younger women's infatuation. Keep the momentum going. Learn how to tell if she's being flirty or friendly, or escalate the excitement with how to build sexual tension. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more.